Hello, this is Bradley from the Mayer-Harman Real Estate Team, and I wanted to send out this short video to address a few concerns some of our clients have had about the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic and how it may impact their property value and any potential move in the future. Of course, this pandemic is scary and our family's health is everyone's primary concern. That being said, as a leader and expert in the real estate industry, I wanted to make sure to address a few concerns and questions that a lot of people have had and to share those answers with you. Here's question number 1. Will property values go down because of the pandemic? Well, property values are constantly changing. Every time a house sells, the sale price impacts the appraiser's valuation of a home in some way. So yes, it's true that the economic impact of COVID-19 will affect jobs and housing. It is also true that we have a housing supply problem in the greater GTA. Furthermore, the interest rate drop and government incentives have been put into place to reduce the severity of the economic impact of COVID-19. We do not know the full extent and the impact of COVID-19's pandemic and how it will have on real estate values because the data has not been decisive. Furthermore, every market is impacted differently, and as a result, the answer will also change based upon where your home is and what has sold recently that is a comparable. If you would like an up-to-date analysis of your home value now or after the state of emergency has been lifted, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. We have all the tools we need to provide this service without ever having to step into your home. Here's question number 2. How has the Mayer-Harman team adapted its selling strategy to ensure the safety of our sellers and buyers? This is a great question. Of course, our team is committed to giving you the best advice, tools, and technology to get you through any urgent transactions that need our support during COVID-19. Real estate services in Ontario are essential, but it is not business as usual for us. We are working hard to help everyone safely navigate their purchase or sale while adhering to healthcare guidelines. To learn about the precautions we are taking or how we can help you navigate this pandemic, please visit TheMayerHarmanTeam.com. So question number 3. How can the Mayer-Harman team help me if I am not looking to sell my home or buy a home? Well, our team is a dedicated team of professionals, and our mission is to be your real estate resource for life. That means that if you have any questions about anything related to real estate, from refinancing, family planning, contractors, legal or rebate questions, we are here to help you. For your convenience, we have actually created a third-party contractors list that our clients have used in the past. This list of professionals have been vetted by us to ensure that you get the best services and results possible with those services. Question number 4, is now a good time to buy a house? Well, we cannot predict real estate prices in the greater GTA over the next year, but we do know that the long-term price of homes will continue to rise. We know this because history says so. Plus, the greater GTA is still in a housing crisis as a result of poor supply. In addition to the housing supply problem, the mortgage interest rates and government programs to support buyers have never been better than they are today. For instance, we have seen banks lending at rates as low as 2%, which is historic. This means your carrying costs will be significantly lower if you buy in these rates. That being said, we are cautioning people from searching in person at this point because of the risks of COVID-19. Our team is focused on ensuring the success of our clients while also ensuring that non-essential transactions are deferred until the state of emergency is lifted. Seeing as realtors are an essential service for the government, we are still helping families find or sell homes in this market if they absolutely need to. There are a variety of reasons for that, but it is important that you know that we do have your back and we always will. Question number 5. Can we meet in person to discuss my real estate goals? Well, at this point, we are trying to stop all non-essential in-person interaction, but that doesn't mean we cannot see each other face-to-face. We are still meeting with all of our friends and clients through online video conferencing platforms like Facebook Live, Microsoft Teams, or Zoom. Call or message us if you would like to discuss anything and we will be happy to make time to speak with you. Even if it is just to say hello and see each other and how we're doing. And see how you're doing. I want to finish this video by saying thank you to all these people those people who have referred us over the past year. Your support has been greatly appreciated and is the whole reason our team is able to be here today. We cannot wait to help you and your family and friends with all their real estate questions and concerns. It's why we here, why we love what we do, and we are absolutely never too busy for your referrals. From all of us here at the Mayer-Harman Team, we wish your family health, wealth, and happiness, and I hopefully we'll be able to see each other real soon. Bye for now.